Everyone, and good morning. This is my second video for today. I've been quite busy. I've decided to do some Destash boxes, as yes, I have too many craft items and so many that I don't use. Need to recoup a little bit of money back, so I thought that I would do a Destash box. Now this is Destash box number 1, and they're all just rubber stamps. There's quite a few here. I'm asking £10 for this box and £3 postage, but that is to the UK. Unfortunately, I think it's going to be too expensive for anyone abroad to have this package, but you know, we can always look into the postage if anybody really particularly wants them. So the box itself is £10 plus £3 postage to the UK. If anyone's interested, please message me below or email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com. So let me show you the stamp sets we've got here. So the first one is this professional impression stamp set, and it is a nautical sort of theme. It's got a lighthouse, a ship, a couple of ships, some seagulls, dolphins, and some words here. So breeze, sail through time, and out to the sea. Now this one I don't think I've even used. I think this is brand new, never been used, this one, as you can see. I won't get it out. So they're actually quite big. I won't open it. They're quite big stamps actually. So that's the first one. Then I have this again, personal impressions. It's a baby one. So we've got like the rocking horse, a little duck, some toys. That says mum, dad, memories, smart, sweet, count the days, moon and stars, ice cream, building blocks, baby, a car, and a little train. And this one hasn't been used either. I'm sure I didn't use it, but as you can see, you know, there's quite a lot of stamps, and they're quite big. This one not used either. It has been got out of the pack, but I never used it. So there's those two. I have this one here as well, which is a border stamps, and you know, some of these I've not used either. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 borders there. So this is a really nice set. And then I have this Debbie Moore Designs Masquerade Ball. I used one stamp out of here. I haven't used the others. Venetian Masquerade, and it's got the lovely lady. Really nice stamp. Just a little sort of flowery sort of bits and pieces there. And then this is a lovely patterned more block sort of stamps. This is gorgeous, this one, and again, never used, and they're quite big. I think that's 4x4, and that's about 2x3, I think, something like that. And then I have this very cute, I think Audrey Hepburn, Marilyn Monroe stamps, never used, brand new again. And this has got says style. What does it say? Style. Ooh, why is that the wrong way around? Glamour. It's got a ring, like Audrey Hepburn. Really lovely stamp. I just don't really think I'll use it for anything in particular. So that is oh, and there's this one. Did I not show you this one either? This is just this lovely trellis, some patterns, like a little frame, more Celtic sort of patterns, would you say? I don't know, but just lovely patterns on there. So that is Destash box number 1, and it is all rubber stamps. So it's £10 plus £3 postage to the UK. If you're interested, just message me and leave or email me, and we'll sort it out between us. And I will be doing more Destash boxes very soon when I'm having a sort out. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye bye.